the deluxe potatoes without ice. Deluxe potato.
They got nature.
Oh, that's different. Nature one.
They got nature.
Burger with French fries inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Citron vert. Lil Uzi vert.
Oh, ikaw kuya, ano sa'yo?
Just a
It's
cheeseburger.
steak hash.
Cheeseburger.
Yeah, just it's right there. 365. Below the croak.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, no bacon?
No bacon.
Cheddar fondue.
And then
French fries?
yeah, just the McFlavor fries.
This one?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
Ibanggi muna.
Huh?
Is the clips gonna be one whole video?
Bro, I don't know, man. I don't know, Jacob. This guy's always trolling. What about you?
What? Oh no, I think you're
McDonald's. Pretty calm. What do you say, bro?
Low-key, I thought this guy was gonna kidnap me. Like he was right there, he was looking at me, he was like, he walked past, he was staying next to the chair, and he was just like waiting, trying to act like nothing happened. But he was actually just waiting for his family, and I was like, oh.
Bro, nobody's trying to kidnap you. Nobody wants to kidnap you. Bro, they got the AI Happy Meal. Alright, here's the bacon cheese fries. Let's try them. Just get a good amount. Mid. Definitely mid. We also got this weird looking burger. They threw it in as an extra, so let's try it. I don't know. You know what? That's solid. But it's just different. It's different, but it's not bad. It's like a regular burger. But the bun is just different. So overall, I'll give that like a calm 6. Like, this is probably not, this probably doesn't represent the whole of French McDonald's, but it was meh, you know? I'd rather go to the one in Delaware. So yeah.